Alright, so what is going on, guys? BCF back again with another video, and it has been a long time since I posted, but I am kicking off a new year right, and I am posting a video for you guys. What is up? How has your new year been? What are your new year resolutions? Leave them down in the comment section below. So let me give you guys a rundown of what's going to be going on today. So it is currently 10:45, and I haven't finished packing, but I have all my clothes laid out for a trip. I'm going to Canada with my two friends, and I'm actually leaving in like a few hours, like 5 hours. We're leaving early because it is an 8-hour drive, so a little bit of a road trip with my two friends, and we're going to be in Toronto for 5 days, and I'm going to be taking you on my journey in Toronto because it's going to be the first time that I go there. It's going to be the first time out of the country on a trip without my parents. It's just going to be me, my two friends, out of the country, exploring Toronto, eating great food, getting to know the culture, shopping in the new areas that we haven't seen. And I'm going to bring you guys along with me, and you guys can experience that with me. So what am I doing right now? Like I said, I have my clothes all laid out, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be packing for the trip. I always like that style of video where people showed where they liked, and there's nothing too crazy on my bed right now, you know, that I'm packing for the trip, but I do have some cool pieces, and I plan on buying more in Canada. I definitely want to expand my clothing range way more this year. That is one of my goals, to buy more high quality pieces, better brands, you know, all that good stuff. But I actually had a Stone Island sweatshirt that I had tailored, and I got it tailored. Specifically, I told the lady to have it for Monday because that's when I'm leaving today, so I won't be able to get it because she didn't have it ready for me, which is fine, whatever, I'm over it. But I would have liked to have that piece, but had to improvise, use what I already had to make up some outfits. I'm going to be there for 5 days, so that's about 5 outfits that I have. I may or may not repeat. I'm going to try not to because I'm just going to buy clothes there, hopefully. I hope the shops are good. But yeah, I'm just going to buy clothes there. So I'm probably going to bring back more than I came there with. But yeah, let me stop talking. Let me just show you guys what I'm packing for this trip. Here's a little overview of what I'm going to be packing for Toronto. I plan on packing everything in this bag. This is a bag that I got for Christmas. It is a Kith duffel bag in that green colorway with the orange insides, and you got them gold zips and hints all over the bag. Really dope bag. It's actually more spacious than it looks, so I plan on putting all of this in there. If it doesn't fit, I'm gonna have to bring another bag, which is fine. I'd rather bring less luggage though. So let me just run down what I'm gonna be bringing, starting off with the little stuff. So I got my boxers and my socks, you know, Calvin Klein, Adidas socks, all that good stuff. Then I got some sleepwear. I got an All Saints tee, some Adidas shorts, and some pajama pants. I don't know how it's going to be there. It could be freezing in the rooms. It could not be. So I brought shorts and pajama pants. I have my denim. So I got some white Uniqlo jeans, some Nike pants, and some Zara denim, the gray denim right here. Then I got some shirts, some undershirts. I got an All Saints tees, a few All Saints tees, and some Uniqlo tees. Then I got 2 hoodies, black and gray, both from Uniqlo. Super comfortable. Quality is great for the price. Then I have this H&M crew neck. Quality is crap. Had to get it today though because, you know, I was running low on outfits and I didn't want a black crew neck. So this is what I got. I mean, it was like 10 bucks, whatever. Got a Nike pullover. This is where my laptop was, but it's actually charging underneath all of this mess because it's freezing in here, and it's actually like not charging just because of how cold it is. I sleep in the basement of my house, so it's always cold. And because it's always cold, I feel like I'm used to the cold, and I'm not trying to be a tough guy or anything, but I'm not bringing a coat for Canada just because I'm used to the cold, so I don't think it's going to be that bad. If it is, I just thought I would just buy a coat there, no big deal. But I didn't want to buy a coat because I don't really like coats and I don't wear them often, so I didn't want to buy a coat just for Canada. So if it does get too cold, I'll just buy one there, no big deal. This is from Zara, looking like the Sesame Street garbage man, whatever he's called. But I do think it's dope and I like it on me. And then I got the Kith denim jacket from a recent release. Really dope. Like it a lot. Wear it a little too much, but what are you gonna do? Then walking around, I've got camera bag, nothing in there right now. Then I got a toiletry bag, as you can see, belt popping out. I've got Dior Sauvage in here, my cologne, some Old Spice deodorant, the Fiji kind. Got my moisturizer, Aveeno. Got a body wash in there, you know, face wash, running low on that, some Listerine, toothbrush, all those little goodies in there. Then I got my passport, because, you know, going out of the country for the first time. Then I've got my common projects. You guys have seen these before if you're a subscriber, but got my common projects right here. I wanted to clean them before we left, but I was just too lazy, never did. Also wanted to change out the laces before we left, but didn't get to do that. Then I got Vapor Max's recent colorway, I believe. These are still sitting in stores, but I like these a lot. My girlfriend actually got these for me for Christmas, so shout out to her. Really super nice colorway. I like these a lot. Gonna try and pull off a whole Nike outfit. Then I got Adidas Ultra Boost 3.0. My girlfriend also got me these, so shout out to her. She's the best. Then I got some Takis for the road, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, I didn't pack anything crazy. I don't really have anything crazy, to be completely honest. But that's one of my resolutions for this year, is to improve my wardrobe. Because, you know, I feel like I finally found my style. So now I'm going to be spending a little more on these clothing items. You know, better brands, better quality, all that stuff. So let me put this camera down and talk to you guys a little more. Alright guys, so that's everything that I'm going to be packing for my trip. So I just wanted to get this video out for you. I know it wasn't like the best quality, wasn't all that great, but I just wanted to get this video out for you to let you guys know what's going to be going on these next few days, what I'm packing for the trip, and give you guys a little insight since I have been gone for such a long time. But that pretty much wraps up this video. I'm going to be having some fire content on the way. I'm going to be vlogging that entire trip. So stick with me if you want to see that. Subscribe right now if you're ready for that. And hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more. And I'll see you guys in about 6 hours. So let's go.